Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Bowdoin Model School. Student of class 8, today I will solve question number 3 of exercise 8.3. Previous video we have uploaded that in that video I have solved question number 2. In that video the question is Favina borrows 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at SI. So interest is calculating in simple interest system, and Radha the borrows same amount at the same for the same time at 10% per annum, at 10% annum. Okay, so per annum, but Radha borrows at that interest will be calculated on compound interest. Who pays more interest by how much? Okay, so one case for Favina and another case Radha. Okay, so here Favina and here Radha. In case of Favina, she borrows principal 12,500 rupees. Okay, and 12,500 rupees, and in case of Radha, she also borrows same amount, rupees 5%, rupees 12,500, and for Favina time equal to 3 years, and for Radha time also 3 years. Okay, for Favina rate of interest, that is R, is 12%, and for Radha rate of interest is 10%. Okay, so that thing is different, that is rate of interest 12% and rate of interest 10%. So Favina's rate of interest is greater than the Radha. Now another thing is given, Favina will pay the interest which will be calculated on compound interest, that is on SI. That interest will be calculated in SI system. SI, that is in simple, that interest is simple interest, and Radha that interest will be calculated, that is compound interest. Okay, compound interest. So for finding the interest, we will apply in case of Favina, that is SI equal to PRT by 100, and in Radha, that is compound interest, that P equal to A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. These two formula. Next, after calculating the interest, that is simple interest and compound interest, we will identify that who pays more than one. Okay, so first step, so here in case of Favina, that is simple interest will be SI equal to PRT into 100. We know the formula, that is PRT by 100. Okay, so P 12,500 into R 12% and time 3 by 100. Okay, so now just cross 125 into 3, 125 into 12, that is if 125 into 3, that is 375 into 12, 375 into 12. Now we will calculate the 375 into 12, that is 375 into 12, that is 375 into 12, $4500. So rupees 4500 is the interest. So Favina, after the end of 3 years, she has to pay that amount. She has to pay rupees 4500. Okay, now I will calculate the interest for Radha, which amount she has to pay. Okay, now in case the principal 12,500 times 3 years, rate 10%, but it will be calculated, the interest will be calculated on simple compound interest. Okay, so formula, that is A into P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n or T. Okay, written n. So P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and is the amount. Now just putting down the value 12,500 into 1 plus R by 100. R means 10 by 100 whole to the power n equal to 3. N equal to 3. Now just 1 0, so 12,500 into 11 by 10 whole cube, 11 by 10 whole cube, so 12,500 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Okay, just 11 by 10 cube means it will multiply 3 times. Now 0 0 0 0. Next 125 into 11, 11 into 11, 121, 121. Okay, just so I am rubbing the this portion, that is okay. I think, oh, that portion is not visible, that portion is not visible. Wait students, wait. Now 125 into 11 into 121. Now I am doing the calculation, just rubbing the first portion, okay, that is 125 into 11 by 10. Okay, now 125 into, I think 121 into, you know, that is 1 to 1 into 1 to 1, 133, that is 1331. Next I will multiply 121 by 121 with 3333 1331. Okay, then I will divide it by 10. So 1331 125 into into 1673.75, 1636. I think some can be, is the calculation is okay. Okay, just check 1331. So now, so that is 5 2 7 6 6 12 12 13 3 1 6 6 12 12 plus 3 14, that is 6. Okay, so that is 166375 by 10 by 10. It means it will be 1663.750. Okay, that amount, that is the amount. Now what will be the CI? CI equal to, you know that CI equal to A minus P. A minus P. A means 16,006, that is 0.50 minus 12,500 minus 12,500. Now I will subtract it. I will subtract it. That is 16637.50 by 112,500.00. Okay, 057,314. Okay, 4137.50, 4137.50. Okay, so answer is 41, CI equal to 4137.50, 37.50. So at the end of the 3 years, Radha has to pay that amount as interest. Now our question is, who has to pay more? Okay, to clear, that is Radha has to pay, because no, the answer is not Radha, because Radha has to pay interest 4137.50 and Favina 4500. So Favina has to pay more than Radha as interest. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. In the next video I will upload question number 4. Okay students, thank you, bye.